How to delete Snapchat account. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. You'll see the yellow ghost icon. Look at the top left corner of the screen where you see your Bitmoji or a ghost icon. Tap on that. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. Look for the little gear icon. Tap on that. It'll take you to settings. Scroll down until you see something that says support. You'll see a few options. One of them will say I need help. Tap on that. You'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on that. You'll find an option that says delete my account. Tap on that. Another option will pop up. It'll say Snapchat accounts portal. Tap on that. Here, they'll ask for your username, email, or phone number linked to your Snapchat account. Enter whichever one you use to log in. After entering your details, tap on next. Now, type in your Snapchat account password. This is the one you usually use to log in. Once you've entered your password, tap on next again. You'll see a button that says delete my account. Tap on that. Put your password and tap continue. Here's the part that's a bit annoying. Snapchat doesn't delete your account right away. They deactivate it first, and it takes about 30 days to delete it permanently. After 30 days, check your email. Snapchat will send you a confirmation email. In that email, there'll be a link to confirm deletion. Click on it and follow the instructions to confirm. And that's a wrap. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, stay safe and happy snapping.